Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
تو پہلی گرل ہو رہی ہے. If I don't have son, husband or brother, who's gonna take care of me when I'm older?
All right, guys, so we have some questions for you. Actually, the subscribers have some questions regarding pregnancy and pregnant women, and I guess Desi culture a little bit, right?
Yeah,
You can chime in.
the Desi culture. And since we have two generations, which is me and Osama, one generation, and you guys the other generation, we get both perspectives of which generation thinks this way and like why, and maybe you guys have a reason for it that we don't understand and stuff like that. So I was asking girls, like pregnant girls, what are the issues they had when they were pregnant. So they replied with all these issues that they said they had when they were pregnant.
More so with society.
Yeah, with society, with community, even with their close family, their own mom and dads or their in-laws. So the first issue was having a girl instead of a boy. Like a lot of girls were saying that whenever they said, oh, we're having a ladki, they were like, it's okay, next time, don't worry, ladka hoga. So that was the first issue. Ki bahut sari ladkiyon ko hum log ke, at least hum log ke society mein.
What do you guys think about it? Redirect. There's women out there, they tell other women, oh, sorry, maybe next time you'll have a boy, right?
I don't know what kind of people are there, but what community they are grown up. My parents' house, my in-laws' house, I never experienced that thing.
But I think maybe your family were different and that, but
Totally different.
But
I
like,
never experienced
but
that.
now,
Oh, it's a boy happening or it's a girl.
but why is the mindset coming from there?
I don't know. Okay, it's a bad country. It's totally different because over there, women are still dependent on
Men.
guys.
Yeah.
So if I'll be there, I'm gonna be worried. Okay, my son. If I don't have son,
Who's gonna make money?
Figure, if I don't have son, husband or brother, who's gonna take care of me when I'm older?
Yeah.
Get it?
So it's almost like women almost feel like a burden at that time, right?
At time. I
Right?
do still. I feel like I'm depending on your dad, which is I don't really like it.
But آپ
And I
بتائیں.
go still long.
نہیں بات تو یہ صحیح ہے جو کہا کہ اس کا ریزن یہی ہے. دیکھیں یہ اس طرح اپرچونیٹیز ان کنٹریوں کی طرح نہیں ہے کہ جو لڑکی بھی وہ کام کر لے لڑکا بھی وہ کر لے, وہاں تو نہیں ہے نا. پھر ہمارے اسپیشلی میں بات کرتا ہوں مسلم کلچر ہی نہیں دوسرے لوگوں میں بھی ہے, لیکن میں چلو بات کرتا ہوں اپنی مسلم کمیونٹی میں. وہ کیونکہ لڑکیاں زیادہ فلی اس طرح الاؤڈ نہیں ہے کہ وہ جدھر مرضی نکل جائیں, جدھر مرضی چلی جائیں, بغیر اس کے چلی جائیں, ساری چیزوں کو وہ جاتی ہیں. ایسا نہیں میں کہتا وہ بند کر کے رکھا ہوا, اب تو بڑا ماڈرنائز ہو گیا معاشرہ. لیکن وہ چونکہ ڈپینڈنٹ ہے, پھر ان کا نیکسٹ فوکس ماں باپ کا شادی کی کرنی, شادی ہو گئی نا, اب اس بچی کے ان لاز وہ بڑی مشکل سے الاؤ کرتے ہیں کہ وہ جا کے اپنے ماں باپ سے ملے. ایسے نہیں ہے کہ یہاں سے جیسے اب جب مرضی ہم اٹھے چل دیے, میں آپ کو نہیں کہہ رہا ہوں, لیکن یہ جنرل ایگزامپل. وہاں لڑکی کا اپنے ماں باپ کو ملنے جانا یہ خود ایک بہت بڑا ایشو ہے.
تو آپ کو لگتا ہے کہ یہ this sentiment is justified, why they feel like they want a boy more than a girl?
Not anymore. I think so now Pakistan also have educated people, so they don't feel difference girl and boy.
I guess we don't feel it here because
so
girls and boys are equal and in most cases
so
to like work a job and go out and support the family.
Yeah, support the family. We are 8 sisters.
Yeah.
And that time even my dad didn't bother, like he doesn't care.
وہ تین ہو رہی ہے نا, ٹیم بڑھ جاتی
ساکر
ٹیم. میں یہاں تک آیا تھا کہ وہ لڑکی آزادی سے الاؤ نہیں ہے اپنے ماں باپ کے جانے کے. ٹھیک ہے, اب ماں باپ بیچارے انسیکیور فیل کرتے ہیں اگر ان کا بیٹا نہیں ہے کہ بیٹا از سپوز ٹو بی وتھ دیئر پیرنٹس, رائٹ,
اسٹے وتھ فیملی.
وہ ڈپینڈ کرتے ہیں کہ اگر ہم جب اولڈ ہو جائیں گے ایج,
ہمارا بیٹا کرے گا,
ہماری آزادی ہم کو کس نے دیکھنا ہے. آپ کو پتا آج بھی میرے اپنے دوست میں ظاہر کسی کا نام تو نہیں لے, ان کی بھی بیٹی اس کا ماں माँ बीमार है, बाप बीमार भी, अगर उसने जाना है ना तो इन लाल कहते नहीं ये तो तुम क्या रोज रोज का तमाशा बनाया हुआ, बीमार है तो अपना ख्याल करें, नहीं शादी करते तुम्हारी, क्यों शादी कर दी। ये माइंड सेट है, उस बेटी को बेचारी को इतनी आसानी से माँ बाप के लिए अलाउ नहीं करते कि वो जाके टेक केयर करे।
तो बेसिकली लड़कियों का कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है इसमें,
नहीं,
वो बस ऐसी हमारी जो एनवायरनमेंट है, माइंड सेट है, और जो पुराने मेन की जो कंट्रोल जैसा चलता है। बिकॉज ओल्ड सोसाइटी में, कनाडा में भी, इन कनाडा 100 years ago, 150 years ago, women didn't work, right? It was normal.
And also you see the guys at the family, even back home or over here, it doesn't happen. I don't know, maybe Sana said over here happens too. But over there, guys never say anything. The father-in-law, brother-in-law, they never say anything. It's the women's pick up.
Yeah, they control. Okay, so it's actually not the men doing it. Okay, see, I forgot about that.
And very rarely it's the men who say this stuff. It's mostly the women in
They're-
society.
so women are oppressing other women a little bit?
Even I can mention that I have a family friend like very close, and they were just like taunting. Oh, तो पहली girl हो रही है. So how's reaction of mother-in-law like me?
Yeah,
Like, why-
like the conversation didn't happen in front of you; it was behind your back with someone else, right?
So that was weird for me. Like I feel offended myself. Why would you question about me? Why? It's nothing to do with me.
Yeah.
It's I think and everybody think that daughters are blessing. Daughters are rahmat. So.
Yeah.
एंड दूसरी चीज देखो ना, ये फिर मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि लोग इसको ये ना कहें कि हमको इतना ये बैकवर्ड समझते हैं। मैं अपने कंट्री के एग्जांपल्स,
No, but we can only give examples of what you guys have seen, right? So anyone watching the camera, they might have different experience, but this is what my parents have lived there, what, 20, 30,
Yeah, this is
30
this
years.
conversation, I told you
And
this
20
happened here.
and 20, yeah.
In Canada.
Yeah.
उसी एग्जांपल को मैं उसी एग्जांपल में से हूँ ना। हम पाकिस्तान से आए हैं ना, पाकिस्तान में हम रह रहे हैं, आप बच्चे, आप लोग
30 years, 40 years you guys have stayed there.
मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये 31 ईयर अगो जब हमारी शादी हुई तो हमारे घर का जो हिसाब किताब, या यूं कह लें जो पढ़ा, मैं उस जमाने में पढ़े लिखों में आ गया, ठीक है, इंजीनियरिंग की मैंने, मेरे माँ बाप ने कभी ये स्टॉप नहीं किया कि नहीं ये माँ बाप को नहीं जा सकते मिलने, या मैं स्टॉप करूँ कि ये नहीं, मतलब जब जो प्रॉब्लम है, जब इश्यूज है, वो माँ बाप के। मैं एग्जांपल दूं, अगर उस जमाने में ज्वाइंट फैमिली सिस्टम में अगर कहीं छोटी मोटी कोई बात सामने आई भी है, मैं बता रहा हूँ यहाँ से चले आ रही, हम यहाँ आए, उसके बाद आपके नानू बीमार हुए, आपके सामने एग्जांपल है, मम्मा गई मीरपुखा छोटे शहर से कराची में, फिर 2 मरतबा हुई गई, फिर इसकी अम्मी बेचारी बीमार हुई, मम्मा गई, सब अपने बहन भाई होगा तुम कोई हाथ नहीं लगाओ, बाप के लिए कहा कोई हाथ नहीं लगाओ। तो ये बेटियां, ये भी उसी माहौल की बेटी है ना, वहीं से ये करती है, लेकिन स्टिल जो जहाँ तालीम नहीं है ना, एजुकेशन नहीं है ना, आज भी मुझे अपने, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मुझे रिश्तेदारों के मैसेज आ जाते हैं कि मैं ये बच्चों को आज़ादी दी हुई है, बेटी को आज़ादी दी हुई है, बीवी को आज़ादी दी, अभी आज भी मुझे बातें सुननी पड़ती हैं, लेकिन जब वो कहते हैं तो इतने डिस्टेंस से कहते हैं, उनको पता है कि मैं कैसे
मार देना,
यानी वो खुल के नहीं कहते तरीके से। मैं समझ जाता हूँ ये कहना क्या चाह रहा है, और कईयों को तो मैं शर्मिंदा करता हूँ, मैं क्या सीधे तरीके, नहीं मेरा मतलब ये नहीं, आप गलत नहीं समझे, मैं सब समझता हूँ। तो ये माइंड सेट वहाँ का ऐसा है, यानी मर्दाना जो माहौल है उसकी डोमिनेशन है मर्द की, आज भी है। मैं कहता हूँ पाकिस्तान की अगर बात करें, फिर वही बात है जो बढ़ती जा रही है, जो नई जनरेशन,
Yeah, the new generation is different. The people that watch our YouTube, I think they're totally different from that. So, not pointing fingers at anyone. I think it's just an old mindset with
Even if the new generation has this mindset, it's only because
of their
they
previous
put it
generation.
in their head that you know,
And keep
this
in
is from their
mind
elders.
that's
And
not
you know-
on girl to giving birth to the
boy or the
baby
girl.
or baby boy. That Allah choose you to give you what He wants to, so it's on the guy also. So, but it's Allah's blessing, whatever. Just remember that some people does not have even one child.
Yeah, and just a random fact. You know how they always blame the woman for not having a boy. You know,
That's
it's
what
actually.
it's a
I'm not
guy.
pointing at that. I'm pointing. It's actually the guy. It's actually technically, genetically speaking, it's the guy's issue. Not related to the women at all. You know, back in the day, they would leave the women because they can't have a boy, but it's actually the guy that's
It's
the
the
issue.
guy.
So basically, the point here, that conclusion we've come to is that it's sometimes mostly the women in our community and the Desi community that talk about this, about having a boy and having a girl. And I feel like we're past that in Canada at least, where girls can go get an education, equal education to guys.
And they can
have
support their
equal-
families and
equal
everything.
opportunities to get a job. They can support their families. Like, so it,
And so the mindset should not be here. So if it's if the
Exactly.
mindset is here, it's 100%
I mean, it
wrong.
doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense at all. Even though we can justify back in the day or even now certain areas why that mindset might be,
Yeah.
but here or in any other society that's like a Western society, it doesn't stand.
So the next thing, a lot of women, which is weird, this one was like, I was like, this was pretty weird. They said that they have to hide their baby bump because it is seen as shameful to show it.
I did.
Yeah.
तो ये उसके
I
लिए
don't
तो
have
आपके
even
लिए-
single picture.
आपने देखी कोई
I was
That's
embarrassed
it.
to go in front of my dad.
See?
I never went to my close friend wedding.
कहीं भी
It's
नहीं
just my own. It's nobody
It's a
said
choice,
anything.
yeah.
It was just my own. I hide from my brother. I hide from my
So
dad.
everyone.
So where can you explain to us because we don't
I don't know,
understand?
because I was so young. And
Yeah.
Actually, I was young at that time, so I didn't know.
मैं बुढ़ा था।
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
were.
was also young.
No, you wasn't.
So can you explain why it is? Because maybe me
Even
and
my
Sana don't
mom
really
doesn't
understand.
have any pictures. I tried to find
No,
any
I
pictures of her.
literally-
Is it shameful to like get pregnant or?
No, it's not. It's actually now I know it's a good thing to be. It's a blessing to be a pregnant.
Yeah.
But
So
that
many
time
people
I was
get-
thinking, no, it's shameful for me if my dad seeing or my brother seeing.
Oh,
me
just
pregnant.
just because
ऐसे
it's
तो
like
शर्माना
yeah,
नहीं-
yeah, you just don't want to show that
Yeah.
part of a relationship, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
You feel a little bit weird
Yeah.
about it.
So my sisters also, but now it's totally different, obviously. But
एक बात बताऊं बड़ी थोड़ी शार्ट करके आप सोच सकते हो जिंदा है इसका भाई भी वो सुनता है, जब ये वहां भी ये कल्चर है कि पहली खास तौर पे डिलीवरी पे लड़कियां बेटियां माँ बाप के चल सब नहीं जाती
Yeah.
बहुत से माँ बाप के वहां
जाती हैं, yeah.
तो उन्हीं वहीं से
They
होती
live
है।
there, yeah.
लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है, फिर ना कोई कहे। आप अंदाजा करो, इसके लिए मेरे भी ये ध्यान में था कि इनके घर वाले सारे हैं, इनके शुगर मिल में गाड़ियां सब कुछ है, तो जरा आसानी है वहां घर में छोड़ दिया इनकी। तो आप सोच रहे हैं कि इनका जो भाई है वो अभी शायद देख के हंसेगा, तो वो कहता ये इतने दिन हो गए जा क्यों नहीं अच्छी क्यों नहीं वापस नहीं घर में नहीं जाए। जब उसको बताया कि
अच्छा, उसको
देखो,
पता
आइए,
नहीं था।
बोला ऐसे ही चली जाए, अब डिलीवरी जब होगी बच्चा होगा तो
Oh,
उसके बाद ही-
you didn't know.
बच्चा होगा यानी उस वक्त वो आप बताया था कि नहीं तुमको?
maybe.
तुम्हें तो याद भूल जाती है, मुझे इस बात का
That's so
तो
funny.
ये नहीं पता था कि यानी वजह इसकी कि चादर बंदा समझता नहीं शायद वैसे बंदा मोटा हो गया है, तो वो उन्होंने कभी इस बात को ध्यान नहीं दिया, बोला है, बोला अच्छा, तो फिर उसको पता चला।
So I think from my side of view is like no matter even if you put a burqa on a lady, you're still gonna see the bump.
gonna see the-
So I think it's a personal choice, but what people do on social media or like in old Indian culture, I think they shame women for it. But if you're
Shame, I think.
there
This is new for
no
them.
on social media, if you go look at our YouTube, there's a lot of people that will be like, oh
Hide
no,
their
you should
baby
hide.
bump.
But like, how do you hide it? First of all, it's hard, right?
I
So,
refuse
okay.
to go any wedding.
But-
But 6-7 months, I refuse to do any dawat. I
नहीं
never
करती।
come out from my room if
Yeah.
somebody comes.
But I mean, like, mom,
No,
now,
it's on my own.
But-
Like, they were saying why.
no-
but imagine you have to go to work.
It was the
You have to go grocery shopping. You have like this is like our perspective only comes from there. So I'm like, you can hide it, fine if you don't feel comfortable, but kitna
it
hide
has to be
karenge?
But
Your
few
choice.
months, because they didn't have a one generation kid in their house, a few months your daddy used to hide me. Oh no, go inside.
Maybe
I don't want-
maybe-
don't tell anyone she is pregnant. Don't tell
And
anyone.
that's going into the second topic.
So basically, it was until your choice, right? You wanted
mine.
to say. But what if somebody was to be like, "Nay, you have to go inside. You have to stay. You have to hide," and they're telling you not to come out of the house because you're
That
pregnant.
my क्या कहते हैं, mother-in-law, she did it because there was a nazar thing. So they didn't have a one generation kiss. So Sama will be and my 3 of them, they did it. Oh, don't tell anyone she is pregnant. Somehow, so I used to hide. They used to send me inside,
Yeah.
and they didn't tell so long to people.
Yeah, so that's another
Yeah.
thing. The nazar ke wajah
Yeah.
se they say bacha ka bump
हाँ,
batana hi
yeah.
nahi hai. Like don't show the baby bump
But then
at all. because of
obviously you
nazar.
can't hide. It's gonna come out. anyway.
Exactly. Eventually, it's gonna be in your arms, and
Yeah.
you're gonna walk around, and
Yeah.
they're gonna be like, "Kab hua?"
Kab hua, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah,
another
so-
big thing, the nazar thing. What do you guys think about it? Should you hide the baby like when it's born?
I won't
क्योंकि
hide
थोड़े
it.
लोग बताते
Look,
हैं ना.
I won't
I
hide
hear
it.
it.
Listen, why?
Okay,
the
fine.
reason.
Then you do, and then I have a
Yeah.
very strong
Yeah.
opinion on this.
Listen, you see all over the world babies back home. That time you guys were big. I never put the black thing on it. because your dad say I do the dua on them, so
Bas.
Yeah.
nazar ki dua paddi I
Yeah.
अब काला
so he
धागा
never
बांधो,
put
ये
the
बांधो,
thing,
वो-
never put the taweez on your gully.
काला
तुम लोग
टीका।
छोटी कितनी pictures हैं you have, huh? Thousands of pictures. You see no kala dhaga, no beads,
ये बिलीव नहीं है हमारा।
no taweez on you guys.
Yeah.
Because he believes like जो दुआ बताई गई नजर की,
तो
he
पढ़ती
read
मैंने।
it सुबह and शाम and that's it.
आज भी दुआ मैं पढ़ता हूँ, नदर की दुआ है, बस
So
आप
we
पढ़ो।
और ये लोग you guys were beautiful babies. I never seen that. ये नहीं कि मेरे बच्चे हैं, तुम किसी से भी पूछो like they or you saw the pictures.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So they were like.
And
और
you didn't hide them from anybody.
And uncle used to say अगर नजर लगने गोरों के बच्चों को लगे ना, वो कितने खूबसूरत होते हैं, बिल्ली आंखें और गोरे गोरे
So
Yeah.
So why हमारे बच्चों को लगेगी नजर?
Exactly.
So,
and I was
like-
telling Osama that. too.
Basically, coming back to the
Someone
same
take
point,
it.
like, look, nazar is a thing. It's real. It's
Huh.
religiously, we
Yeah.
can say
Yeah, it is.
culturally,
It
it's a
is.
real
It
thing.
is.
Some people even say scientifically. I don't know too much
No,
about that.
it is.
I agree with it. My thing is, if you want to hide yourself, your baby, your friend, your thing from nazar, then go into a dark room. दरवाजा खोलें, लाइट्स बंद करें, उधर ही रुक जाएं, ठीक है ना. फेसबुक, डोंट पुट एनीथिंग ऑन फेसबुक,
Nothing.
डोंट व्हाट्सएप इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली पिक्चर्स,
No.
don't even make sure your neighbor doesn't even see either.
Yeah.
Because a nazar can come from any place, right? Then the only way to do it is to never go out in the world,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly.
And the second part, to finish it off, even if you have to go out into this world, right? You have to realize that, do we not believe that Allah is the strongest power there's nothing more powerful than Allah, right? So nazar might be powerful as well, but we have to believe in our faith that Allah is going to protect us, right? We're going to give
Because Allah
sadaqah,
give you
we're going to
dua
give
to
sadaqah, we're going to give dua, we're going to, you know, we're going to
point pe aa gaya.
give if there's people looking at me, I'm like, okay, I'll feed the poor. Maybe unki अच्छी जो नजर होगी ना, हमें लगेगी, right? जो उनकी दुआ लगेंगी, हमें लगेंगी. तो वरना हम लोग दुनिया में नहीं जा सकते. अब आप कह रहे हो.
वही आपकी बात उस पॉइंट पे आ गए कि आप इसको तो हम मानते हैं भी नजर है, ठीक है ना, रिलीजियसली हमारे भी मतलब उसमें है, ठीक है, हो लगती है, ये है. लेकिन जब हम उस चीज के अगेंस्ट, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि ये बच्चा या ये वाइफ या ये इसके अगेंस्ट मैं ये सदका दे रहा हूँ, अल्लाह इसको नजर बद से बचाए, इसकी बुरी उससे बचाए. आपने जब वो दे दिया ना सदका मीन कुछ पोर्शन ऑफ मनी किसी गरीब को, उसके लिए वो आपने कर दिया, देन यू हैव, आपको लीव टू द गॉड एवरीथिंग. अब अगर फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम होता फिर आप ये नहीं कहो no. मैंने सदका भी दिया, फिर क्यों हो गया? अल्लाह नोज बेटर के भी आपके लिए किस तरह चलना है, क्या हो रहा, और मे बी अब भी अगर चीज हुई है तो वो उस तरह नहीं हुई जैसे आपको होनी
चाहिए.
ये हमारा जो बिलीव है.
और अगर ये चीज होती भी है, राइट, फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ भी अगर यूट्यूब पे होता है, वो हमने बताया था नजर लगेगी, नहीं नजर नहीं, दिस वाज अ टेस्ट फॉर अस, फॉर द फैमिली, राइट. ये मुझे नजर का काम नहीं, दिस इज जस्ट अ टेस्ट फॉर अस, राइट. किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है, राइट. और दूसरी बात ये भी है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सम कंट्री वेयर the kids don't have anything to eat, right, and you're wearing and showing your money, obviously nazar to aapko phir lagegi, jisko पेट भी नहीं, like they can't even खाना भी नहीं खा सकते, तो obviously अगर आप gold chain ये वो पहन के दिखा रहे हैं तो नजर लगेगी, वो कह रहा है मेरे तो खाने के लिए नहीं है, तो आप, you guys are like living lavishly. See, there's different scenarios and cases, but for the fact of the baby situation,
nazar too, and
all these things, but anyways,
but either way, it was just the point that a lot of people these days, what they do is they hide the baby for the first month it's born, or 2-3 months it's born, right? They'll hide the face, they won't show anybody.
और 6 महीने बाद लगा दिया, 6 months
एक साल बाद, 2 years, 3 years,
फिर
at
भी
some
लगाया
point
ना आपने?
picture ने लगाया तो है, and नजर तो same लगेगा either when it's born or
और कभी कभार ऐसे होता है, हाथ नजर आ रहा है, कभी पैर नजर आ रहा है. मैंने कहा बच्चे को हाथ को नजर नहीं लग सकती, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. This conversation is super interesting, and I think a lot of people are waiting for it. But this is the last question regarding body shaming. Okay, so essentially, I think a woman can explain this better. So, Sana,
I was waiting for you to go for
no,
it.
I don't want to go into. Okay. I think you can explain it.
So when girls are pregnant, there's people out there who try to say that, oh, she's too skinny, she's not eating enough, she has to eat for 2. And oh, the baby's not going to be healthy because she's so skinny. Or the complete opposite, people are saying that, oh, you've gotten so fat. And are you sure 2 बच्चे नहीं है आपके पेट के अंदर?
तो कभी कभार कह रहे हैं कि आप बहुत स्किनी हो, आप खा नहीं रही, राइट? جو لیکن اگر زیادہ موٹی ہو جاتی ہے تو کہتے ہیں 2 بچے ہیں تمہارے اندر, یہ ایسی جیسے رائٹ. تو باڈی جو آن لائن باڈی شیمنگ کرتے ہیں وومن کی,
Online یا in
in
person?
person like مطلب
بہت سارے
like جو they make women feel like weird about it.
Especially again women to women.
Women
so
to
like
women.
when aunties like you know
دیکھیں
like
تانے دینا رائٹ, اسکنی بہت ہوگی یا موٹی بہت ہوگی یا یہ نہیں کھا رہی وہ نہیں کھا رہی, like just to put a woman down to say you're not good enough.
Yeah.
What are your
I
thoughts
don't-
on that?
I don't think so it's right to do it, but I don't know why people do it. I really
You don't even want to answer, you're like it's stupid.
Yeah, it is very.
I
it
think
is very stupid.
men don't ever do it. Men are very careful with
Yeah.
this generally. From what I understand,
Yeah.
I think it's more women to women.
Yeah.
Like just smart comments.
Yeah.
Oh, zyada like moti nahi
So
hogi
what?
aap.
It's a pregnancy time, so after they can look after themselves, huh?
Yeah.
It's
And then
already like too much pressure, and then you
Yeah.
putting on more pressure on it. Like you got fat, you got skinny. Just remember, people never happy. Just do what makes you happy.
and if you're one of those people who do comment under pregnant women's photos or go up to them and tell them that you look like this, you look like that, if it's nothing positive, keep it to yourself.
yeah.
Even if you're thinking it, keep it to yourself.
And I think a
You
lot
don't
of
need to
people
say
have
it.
like insecurities of themselves, so what they do is they try to attack someone else.
Basically, women need to be more thoughtful of other women in general. With all these topics that we've talked about, I think we forget that the other person has feelings too for some reason. And women to women, they're very cutthroat. They're not as like, you know, like loving and caring towards each other. So
Yeah.
I find that like it's mostly women who hurt other women. Men say stuff too, yes, but I feel like if women were to come together, we'd be so much stronger.
I think, okay, I don't know. I feel that, you know, men are more straightforward to say like, hey, don't say this to me. Otherwise there'll be a problem.
Yeah.
At least that's how I deal with it.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
But I feel like women also feel like they have to fit in a lot, whether because
Or
of
they don't want to be rude or mean
or
by
whatever.
saying that,
Yeah,
okay,
and
you
I
know,
think-
your comment just hurt me. Like,
Yeah.
I don't think a lot of women say that back in person to anybody. You know, when an auntie comes and says something bad to you, you will never be like, oh no, that was rude, auntie. Like, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Because it's like, oh, in our culture, it's not respectful to tell her that what she just said hurt me.
if it wasn't my family, I'd be like, what the hell are you saying?
I think so. If you see pregnant women, make them happy as a couple, as becoming a new mom. It's a big responsibility, and Allah does not give so many women this opportunity. So it's a blessing to have it. So please appreciate every mother.
Papa, closing remarks for the haters generally. ہیٹرز کو کچھ کامنٹ دیں گے آپ؟
کچھ بھی نہیں کمنٹس کرنا.
نہیں ہیٹر کو بتائیں کہ آپ کی فیلنگ کیا ہے, آپ بتائیں کیا کرتے ہیں ہیٹرز کے ساتھ.
2 منٹ میں بلاک کرو, آپ تو اس میں مصیبت کرنے کی ضرورت ہی نہیں, اس کو بلاک کرو. اپنا اکاؤنٹ نیٹ کلیئر رکھو. آپ کوئی بھی ڈس ریسپیکٹفل آپ کی وائف کے اگینسٹ ہو, اس کو ادھر کا ادھر ہی بند کرو. جتنا مرضی بڑا ہے, جتنا مرضی چھوڑو, اس کو بلاک کرو.